Hello everyone, welcome to watching this video. This is grade 10 mathematics of the first unit, that is relational functions. Here we will discuss about the basic concepts of relation, function, different types of functions, and at the end of this we will discuss about the applications of relation and function, the patterns that helps us to integrate or to form an ordered pair from the sets. Then we will have different types of patterns, especially arithmetic and geometric pattern. Patterns are simply defined as regular, repeating, recurring forms. Repeated, recurring forms are designs identifying relationships, finding logic to form generalization, and it makes or it helps us to predict what comes in the future. Then basically we can classify patterns in two ways. That's arithmetic, which is based on addition and subtraction. That means the relationship between the elements or the terms in a pattern or a sequence is based on addition or subtraction. For example, if you take here a number that contains 2 or a sequence or that a pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. These are simply a collection of numbers, but we can predict the future, the next number, by looking these numbers carefully. 2, then 4, then 6. We can find the next number by adding 2, then 8 plus 2 is 10, then 12. We can continue this way. This type of pattern is what we call arithmetic pattern or arithmetic sequence. But when it comes to geometric pattern, the relationship between the consecutive terms is obtained by multiplication or division. That means to get the next number, we may multiply a number by a fixed number. For example, if you take here, let's say it is 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, 32, and so on. If you take this number, 2, then 4, then 4, then 8, right? 2 times what number is 4? Which is, or we can get, which is 2, we can get 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, 16 divided by 8, 32 divided by 16, we will get the same number, which is 2. Right? This number is what we call the common ratio. And the difference between, in arithmetic pattern, the difference between the consecutive terms of the set, this number is what we call common difference. Then determine the value of A and B in the following patterns. Simply look careful these numbers, the nature of these sequences. 65, then 60. That's a decrease, right? Then 55, then 50, then 45. We can understand something from this sequence of numbers. Then the next will be, we have subtract 5 from this number, right? Because when subtract 5 from 65 is 60, subtract 5 from 60 is 55. In this way, when subtract 5 from 45 will be 40. Then A automatically is 40. And B, 40 minus 5 is 35. 35 minus 5 is 30. And B will be 30. This is the way how can we do and this type of pattern is arithmetic pattern, the first one. 2, identify the type of pattern for the sequence. 4, 8, 16, 10. Look, 4 then 8, the difference is 4, right? 8 then 12, it's 4. 12, 16, it's 4. 16 to 10, it's 4. Then we are asked to find, to determine or to identify the type of pattern. This type of pattern is arithmetic. Arithmetic pattern. And 3, find the missing value for the geometric pattern. As I told you, geometric pattern next number the common ratio ማካፈል ነው 96 ዜና 48 24 if you divide 96 by 2 48 Half of 96 is 48. Then half of 48 is 24. Half of 24 is 2, right? And half of 6 is simply it is 3. 3, right? You can divide because the common ratio is 2. Divide these numbers by 2 and we can get the missing numbers directly. That's all. Here, the Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system. It is simply it is a plane which is obtained by crossing two lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical line. The number line. When you cross this, we can form 4 regions. These regions are what we call quadrants. Then that means if we divide something into 4, well, this is quarter, right? Then in terms of this coordinate system, in Cartesian coordinate system, it is quadrants. Then the name is from here, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here, the intersection of these two lines is simply a point, which is the origin. And the right of here, from the horizontal line to the right of this vertical line are positive, and see the horizontal is x-axis, this horizontal line, and horizontal line, and this is the vertical line, a vertical line. Then on this region, both horizontal and vertical lines or x and y values are positive. Here, positive, positive. And here, to the left of this vertical line, the value of horizontal axis or x-axis is negative. Then always we have to write first x or horizontal axis, that's negative, and the value of y here is positive. When you look at the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. And on the fourth quadrant, both, not both, that's the first coordinate, or x is positive and y is negative. This is very important, right? Because the definition of relation is from here. If you take one point in a plane, this point takes two numbers. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Always we have to read the horizontal numbers first. Like that is 6. Assume this is 6. Then we have to look also the vertical, that's 6. Right? This is 66. Then here, before joining this horizontal line contains only set, the set of numbers, and this vertical line contains the set. And after we mix them, we can form a relation that's order pair or a set of order pairs. Here, plot the points on a Cartesian coordinate system. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2 horizontally, and 4 vertically. 2, 4, 4 maybe around here. 2, 4. That's the point contents here is 2, 4. Easy. And 0, negative 3. 0, then negative 3. Go down to the vertical line, which is negative 3. It's maybe around here. Yeah, negative 3. 0, negative 3 will be here. And C, that's A. 0, negative 3, that's B here. C, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 1. Around here, maybe 1 here, then negative 2, 1. Contents of the point will plot over here, that's C. And D, negative 5, negative, which is on the third quadrant. Negative 5, maybe around here, and negative 3. That is D, point D. Then here ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ያደረግነው የተለያዩ ሴቶችን ወስደን ወይም በአንድ ቨርቲካል ላይን ያለ የነምበር ስብስብ አለ፣ በሌላኛው ሆሪዞንታል ላይን ደግሞ ሌላ የነምበር ስብስብ አለ። ሁለቱ ሚክስ ስናደርግ ሪሌሽን የሚባል ነገር እንፈጥራለን ማለት ነው። that's the point. This is what the Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system that helps us to form a relation. Thank you for watching.